Dear children, last day I taught you lesson 22, Understanding Media. Now in this lesson, Electronic Media of Mass Communication, page number 164. Look at this electronic media of mass communication. Radio, television, cinema, etc. are electronic media of mass communication. Radio and television have an edge over newspapers as they reach even illiterates and help them to form their opinion. Moreover, radio and television reach the remotest villages and places in the country. People can listen to the news and views of leaders in every nook and corner of the country. Different problems and their solution can be presented on radio and television through different programs. Similarly, television broadcasting assumes tremendous importance in a developing country like India. Doordarshan, the national television service of India, is one of the largest terrestrial network in the world. Cinema is a very important means of recreation. It also helps in the formation of a sound public opinion. It brings to light many social problems and their solution. Every film also convey a message. Political parties Political parties are the foundation stone of democracy. They provide a link between the government and the public. They explain the policies of the government to the people and educate people on the basis of their political and economic programs. They use newspapers and public meetings to preach their respective ideologies. Election. Political parties propagate their program and policies, especially during election. They try to win over citizens by means of posture speeches in public meetings. Political literature distributed among the people, etc. Media ethics and accountability. Media is supposed to follow certain ethics. It should be free from bias, be natural, honest, and transparent. It should be responsible for all its news and views and accountable to the public at large. It should not indulge in malpractices to gain cheap popularity. Enactment of Right to Information Act, a case study. The right to information implies that people have the right to know everything that affects their lives directly or indirectly. For example, farmers often require a copy of their land's record together with a map when they want to divide their property among their children, or they want to loan from the bank to dig a well in their land, or they want to sell up their land. Let's take another example. When a person is involved in a court case, he should be provided all the documents concerning his case so that he can know why he was involved in the case. A poor villager may want to seek information as to why the amount sanctioned by the government has not been provided to him and other villagers. To get his right, people had to struggle for long. They resorted to standing dharnas, hold demonstration, and even gherav certain official. Ultimately, their efforts bore fruits, and many state governments were forced to pass Right to Information Act. The Rajasthan government took the initiative in passing the Rajasthan Right to Information Act 2000. The demand for such right was raised by the member of the Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan formed in 1990. The restored of the dharnas and hunger strike, and ultimately the government had to end and was forced to pass the act. By this act, the people got the right to information in all spheres of governance. The right to information gives the citizen an opportunity to check the deeds of any authority, such as right had a dramatic effect on the prevalent modes of corruption. The government of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Goa also enacted similar acts. Now, advertising next day.